The shocking truth about building muscle in your sleep. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, but the results just aren't showing up? You're hitting the gym, you're pounding protein shakes, and you're even remembering your daily supplements. You're putting in the work day in and day out for the next 100 days, dedicated to building a stronger, healthier you. But what if I told you that a few simple mistakes in your nightly routine could be sabotaging all of your hard work? What if the key to unlocking significant muscle growth, especially as you get older, wasn't about what you do during the day, but what you don't do before you go to sleep? It sounds counterintuitive, I know. We've been conditioned to believe that more is always better when it comes to supplements. But the truth is, when it comes to building muscle while you sleep, timing is everything. Forget what you've been told about magnesium being the ultimate nighttime muscle builder. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal two powerful vitamins that, when taken before bed, can dramatically accelerate your muscle repair and growth. These aren't just marginal gains we're talking about. We're talking about a potential game changer in your fitness journey. And just as importantly, I'm going to expose 3 common supplements that you should absolutely avoid at night if you're serious about maximizing your recovery. What you're about to learn might just be the missing piece of the puzzle you've been searching for. The secret to finally seeing the muscle definition and strength you've been working so hard to achieve. Vitamin D3, the Sunshine Vitamin's nocturnal power. Let's start with a supplement that many of us associate with sunny days, not restful nights. Vitamin D3. When you take this powerful vitamin before you go to sleep, a remarkable series of events unfolds within your body. As you drift into slumber, the elevated levels of vitamin D3 in your system begin to activate specialized receptors in your muscle cells, known as VDRs. Think of these receptors as tiny docking stations on the surface of your muscles. Once activated, they send a powerful signal to your muscles, instructing them to become more efficient at absorbing calcium and phosphorus from the food you consumed throughout the day. These 2 minerals are absolutely crucial for the intricate process of muscle contraction and, more importantly, for the repair and growth of muscle fibers. But the benefits of nighttime vitamin D3 supplementation don't stop there. This incredible vitamin also plays a vital role in signaling your body to ramp up its production of testosterone during your sleep cycle. Testosterone is a key player in muscle protein synthesis, the process by which your muscles utilize the protein you've eaten to build new, stronger muscle tissue. Without adequate levels of vitamin D, this essential nighttime muscle repair process can be slowed down by as much as a staggering 60%. Furthermore, vitamin D3 acts as a potent anti-inflammatory agent within your muscle tissues while you sleep. This helps to reduce the microscopic damage caused by exercise, allowing your muscles to recover more quickly and preventing the natural muscle breakdown that can occur, especially as we age. To put this into perspective, consider a recent study from Harvard that followed 400 seniors with low vitamin D levels over an 8-month period. The results were astounding. The group that supplemented with vitamin D3 daily gained an average of 2.8 pounds of muscle mass, while the control group, who did not receive the supplement, gained a mere 0.4 pounds. The difference is undeniable. Even ancient Viking warriors, known for their incredible strength, understood the importance of this vitamin, consuming cod liver oil during the long, dark winters to maintain their power when sunlight was scarce. Incorporating vitamin D3 into your nightly routine is simple. Aim for a dosage of 2,000 to 4,000 IU, taken with your evening meal that includes healthy fats to aid absorption. You can also naturally boost your intake by grilling a 4-ounce salmon fillet, which can contain more vitamin D than most people get in an entire week. Pair that with some roasted mushrooms and mashed sweet potatoes with grass-fed butter, and you have a delicious and powerful meal to fuel your overnight muscle building. Zinc, the unsung hero of nighttime muscle repair. Now, while vitamin D3 is a powerhouse on its own, its muscle-building effects are significantly amplified when paired with our second nighttime supplement, zinc. If you're only taking vitamin D3, you're still leaving significant gains on the table. Think of vitamin D3 as the architect laying out the blueprint for muscle growth, and zinc as the construction crew that actually builds the new tissue. During the deepest phases of your sleep, your body enters its prime muscle-building state, releasing a surge of growth hormones. However, what most people fail to realize is that these crucial hormones are heavily dependent on zinc to function effectively. Zinc is a master mineral that directly controls over 300 enzymes responsible for the intricate process of rebuilding muscle tissue throughout the night. When your zinc levels are optimal, these enzymes remain active for a solid 6 to 8 hours, diligently repairing and reinforcing your muscles. But when you're deficient in zinc, a condition that affects an alarming 40% of seniors, this critical muscle repair process can grind to a halt, slowing down by as much as 60%. Zinc also plays a pivotal role in transporting amino acids, the building blocks of protein, directly into your muscle cells while you sleep. Once inside, these amino acids are assembled into new, stronger muscle fibers. This is why individuals with healthy zinc levels often wake up feeling less sore and more refreshed, while those who are deficient experience persistent muscle aches and a much slower recovery time. The shocking reality is that despite zinc deficiency being so prevalent among older adults, it's rarely tested for by doctors. This deficiency can lead to a cascade of negative effects, including slowed wound healing, reduced testosterone production, and a significant impairment in your muscles' ability to utilize the protein you consume. This explains why some seniors can eat a protein-rich diet yet still struggle to build or even maintain muscle mass. They are missing this essential mineral. A groundbreaking study from the University of Michigan provided compelling evidence for the power of zinc. The study tracked 120 zinc-deficient seniors for 12 weeks. The group that supplemented with 20 milligrams of zinc daily saw a remarkable 34% increase in their muscle protein synthesis and experienced a 40% faster recovery from exercise. The researchers discovered that zinc essentially flips the switch on the genes that instruct your muscles to grow stronger and repair themselves more efficiently. To harness the full potential of zinc, take your supplement with a full glass of water about 2 hours before bedtime. This timing allows for optimal absorption and ensures your body is primed for a night of intensive muscle repair. The Nighttime Saboteurs, 3 supplements to avoid after dark. Now that we've uncovered the 2 essential vitamins for building muscle while you sleep, it's equally important to understand what not to take. You could be diligently supplementing with vitamin D3 and zinc, but if you're unknowingly consuming one of the following 3 supplements in the evening, you could be completely negating their positive effects and even causing harm. The first, and perhaps most surprising, on our list of nighttime no-goes is the B complex. Many of us have been led to believe that B vitamins are a universally beneficial supplement, often recommended for boosting energy, supporting nerve health, and enhancing metabolism. While it's true that B vitamins are essential for these functions, their stimulating nature makes them a poor choice for evening consumption. B-complex vitamins contain a powerful cocktail of nutrients, including B6, B12, niacin, and riboflavin, all of which are known to activate the nervous system. They can slightly increase your heart rate, rev up your metabolism, and promote a state of alertness. While this is incredibly useful in the morning or early afternoon to help you power through your day, this artificial energy boost becomes a major liability at night. The vast majority of muscle repair and growth doesn't happen in the gym. It occurs during the deep restorative stages of sleep. This is the critical window when your body releases growth hormone, repairs damaged muscle fibers, and converts the protein you've eaten into new, lean tissue. However, if your nervous system is still firing on all cylinders from a late dose of B-complex, you'll struggle to enter and remain in slow-wave sleep, the most crucial phase for muscle recovery. A 2019 review published in the journal Sleep Medicine highlighted this very issue. The study tracked how evening B vitamin consumption affected older adults and found that those who took B-complex in the evening had significantly lower melatonin production, a delayed onset of deep sleep, and spent far less time in the restorative slow-wave cycles. In essence, they were robbing their bodies of the prime opportunity for muscle growth. To make matters worse, elevated B vitamin levels at night can also lead to a spike in cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. Not only does cortisol keep you awake, but it also actively breaks down muscle protein for energy. For seniors who are already battling age-related muscle loss, a condition known as sarcopenia, this can accelerate the decline into weakness and frailty. So, the lesson is clear. Relegate your B-complex supplement to the morning with your breakfast. Let it fuel your day and allow your nights to be dedicated to deep, uninterrupted repair. Why your nightly vitamin C might be hurting your gains. The second supplement you should steer clear of in the evening is another popular nutrient that many people consider a cure-all: vitamin C. Renowned for its immune-boosting properties and its role in skin health and healing, vitamin C is undoubtedly an important part of a healthy diet. However, when it comes to building and preserving muscle, timing is paramount. Consuming vitamin C, especially in high doses, close to bedtime can quietly and effectively sabotage your body's natural repair cycle. The reason for this lies in its powerful antioxidant properties. While antioxidants are generally considered beneficial, at night, your muscles actually require a small amount of oxidative stress to signal the start of the recovery process. This mild stress is the trigger that tells your body to release growth hormone, activate repair pathways, and begin rebuilding the muscle fibers that were damaged during your daily activities. When you flood your system with a large dose of vitamin C before bed, you essentially blunt this crucial signal, effectively shutting down muscle protein synthesis at the very moment it should be at its peak. Research on older adults has shown that high antioxidant intake before bed can reduce the body's ability to activate mTOR signaling, which is the primary pathway that muscles use to absorb amino acids and grow stronger. In simpler terms, your muscles simply don't receive the message to repair and rebuild themselves. But the negative effects don't end there. Vitamin C is also mildly stimulating, as it plays a role in the production of norepinephrine, a brain chemical that promotes alertness. Seniors who take vitamin C at night often report a restless night's sleep, tossing and turning and struggling to stay asleep. This directly translates to less time spent in slow-wave sleep, the critical phase for the natural release of growth hormone and tissue repair. Without sufficient slow-wave sleep, the collagen and amino acids from your diet cannot be effectively utilized to rebuild and strengthen your muscles. If you're serious about your muscle building goals, it's time to re-evaluate your vitamin C timing. Take it in the morning or early afternoon to reap its benefits without interfering with your body's natural nighttime repair processes. The hidden muscle wrecker, caffeine's evening threat. The final supplement on our list of nighttime saboteurs is one that many seniors consume without even realizing its potential for harm: caffeine. While most of us associate caffeine with our morning cup of coffee or tea, it's a sneaky ingredient that can be found in a variety of other products, including pre-workout powders, fat burner supplements, and even some multivitamins. While a moderate amount of caffeine early in the day can be beneficial for focus and circulation, consuming it in the evening is one of the quickest ways to derail your muscle recovery efforts. The primary reason for this is caffeine's stimulating effect on your central nervous system, which leads to an increase in cortisol, your body's stress hormone. While this might provide a temporary burst of energy, at night it comes at a significant cost. Elevated cortisol levels directly interfere with muscle protein synthesis, the fundamental process your body uses to convert dietary protein into new muscle fibers. Even more detrimental to your sleep is caffeine's ability to block adenosine receptors in your brain. Adenosine is a neurotransmitter that builds up throughout the day, gradually increasing your desire to sleep. When you consume caffeine, it binds to these receptors, preventing adenosine from doing its job and tricking your body into thinking it's not tired. This not only makes it difficult to fall asleep, but also significantly shortens your deep sleep cycles when you finally do drift off. This is a catastrophic scenario for anyone trying to build muscle, especially seniors, as deep sleep is the peak time for growth hormone release and muscle repair. A 2020 study published in Nutritional Neuroscience provided startling evidence of caffeine's negative impact. The study followed 160 older adults for 10 weeks and found that those who consumed caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost a staggering 28% more lean muscle mass compared to their caffeine-free counterparts, even when both groups consumed the same amount of protein. The researchers concluded that the sleep disruption caused by caffeine led to a significant reduction in growth hormone release, which directly translated into weaker muscles. The takeaway here is that while caffeine isn't inherently bad, its timing is absolutely critical. If you want to maximize your muscle building potential, it's imperative to keep all caffeine consumption strictly to the morning hours. This means no coffee, tea, or caffeinated supplements after lunchtime. By making this simple adjustment, you can ensure that your body is in the optimal state for a night of deep, restorative sleep and powerful muscle growth. Your path to a stronger tomorrow. Now that you're armed with this crucial knowledge, I have a question for you. Which of these vitamins have you been unknowingly taking at night? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'm genuinely interested to hear your stories, and I make a point to read every single one. If you're truly committed to building the strong, resilient muscles you deserve at this stage of your life, I've created a special resource just for you. My 30-day muscle recovery meal plan is packed with over 90 high-protein, collagen-rich recipes specifically designed to maximize your muscle growth. Every single recipe has been carefully crafted to avoid the very vitamins that can hinder your progress, and I've included precise timing strategies to optimize your vitamin absorption. You can find the link to this comprehensive meal plan in the pinned comment or in the description below. But I have something even more exciting to share with you. Tomorrow, I'm going to reveal a secret that will fundamentally change the way you think about building leg strength. This clinically proven method has been shown to increase muscle activation by an incredible 34%. And the best part is, it requires absolutely no exercise whatsoever. This is groundbreaking information that I can only share with my subscribers first. So if you haven't already, take a moment to hit that subscribe button right now. You won't want to miss tomorrow's video. Trust me, this leg strength secret is going to shock you, and I can guarantee you've never heard it anywhere else. I'll see you soon.